If you're working on a document you already formatted with the old spacebar and tab method, then advanced settings can make things look worse at first. Here are some advanced word settings tips for beginners. You'll know you have extra paragraph breaks and spaces when you see extra space between your paragraphs that don't look quite right. If you want to know for sure, you can toggle on this one tool. It's called the non-printing characters or formatting marks checkbox. When you turn it on, you can see everything that's actually going on with your document. On your Mac menu bar, go to Word, Preferences, View, and hit the Show All Non-Printing Characters checkbox and we're in business. For Windows, go to File, Options, Display, and check Show All Formatting Marks. Wherever you see an extra line break or extra space or tab, delete it. Now go back and do one of two things. Reset your paragraph by applying the style you want, or modify that style to add space the way you want it.